49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 168, 196, 225.
Okay, just let me write till there. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144,
44,
13 square 169, 14
169,
square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289. What is 18 square, Ritika?
324,
Okay. 19 square,
361,
20 square,
400,
21 square.
441,
Yeah, 22 square,
484,
23 square,
328,
529. 24 square, 576. 25 square, 625. Okay. So all of you just see the squares once. We'll go for the next topic. Okay. We'll just move forward. Now let us discuss about the cubes. 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125, 6 cube, 216, 7 cube, 343, 8 cube, 512, 9 cube, 729, 10 cube, 1000, 11 cube, 1331, 12 cube, 1728, 13 cube, 2197, 14 cube, 2744, 15 cube, 3375. So these are the cubes. Please just look through them, have a look through and try to learn them, because for number series topic these basics are very, very important. Okay, try and learn them. Okay, so all of you have noted down, I think. All of you have noted down. Okay, let's move forward. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's move forward. Yes. Yeah, okay, Mrinal. Yeah. Now, next question to all of you is, what are prime numbers? Ritika, can you tell me what are prime numbers? No,
Numbers,
I'm asking the definition of prime numbers.
numbers which are multiples of 1 and itself,
The numbers which are,
divisible by 1 and itself.
yeah. So I'll write the definition here. You can do 50 questions. Solve as much as you can. The numbers which do not have factors other than 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So the numbers which do not have factors other than 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Okay. So let me give you some example of prime numbers, the numbers which do not have factors other than 1 and the number itself. Suppose 2. What are the factors of 2? 2 and 1. Do you have any other factors of 2 except this 2? No. So this is a prime number. But let me ask you one question regarding 4. 4. What are the factors of 4? 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. And even 1 into 4, 4. So 4 has these two factors, 1 and the number itself. Apart from this, 4 has other two factors, that is 2 and 2. So 4 cannot be termed as a prime number. So 2 is a prime number because it does not have any other factors except these two. These are the only two factors, but this has more factors except these two, that is 2 and 2. Okay. So now I'll write some prime numbers till 100. So can anyone take initiative and tell me all the prime numbers till 100? Any one of you? You don't want to take initiative? Don't be so dumb.
Sir, 2, 3,
5, 7,
Who's
11,
this? Who's this?
30. Mohit.
Mohit, yeah. 2, 3, 5, 7,
11,
11,
13,
13,
17.
Odd number.
एक second.
17.
एक second, Mohit.
Okay.
9 rather. Divided by 9 కూడా వస్తుంది రాదా 3 3 స్క్వేర్ రావద్దా సేమ్
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13,
17,
19,
19,
23,
23, 29,
31,
37,
37,
41,
41,
43,
47,
53,
53.
59.
Hello? 50.
సార్ వాయిస్ కట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Maybe your Wi-Fi may have some issue. Maybe. Okay. There may be some issue. Yeah. Okay. Please follow.
పిల్లలు తొందర రమ్మని
Yeah.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు.
Yeah. Everyone is able to hear my voice properly?
Yeah.
సార్ ఓకే.
Yeah. Maybe some issue there, dear, with your Wi-Fi. Okay. 53. Next 50.
59,
Yes.
61,
61,
67,
67,
71,
71,
73,
73,
79,
79,
83,
83,
89,
89,
97.
97. So you can count them.
అడ్డపోతాడు.
Yeah, please no sound in the background. Please. It will get disturbed. The class will get disturbed. Hello? Please no sound in the background, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Keep in mind. there are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, so this is all. So these are the basics for number series. We are going to start the topic right now. Okay, sir, Vignesh is coming. Is he online?
Not yet, sir. He will join later.
Sir, I'm starting a crucial topic.
Sir.
So how much
Taking
time he
little
would
time.
take? What, sir?
Maybe another half an hour, sir, please.
Okay, sir. Then recording is going on, sir. He can listen, huh?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So let's take the number series right now. Question number 1. So what are you going to do in number series is I'm going to give you a series. Okay. In that there will be a missing number. You need to find out the missing number. So let's do the first question and see how you can find out the missing number. Just a minute. Just give me a second. So now you need to find out the missing number. The question number 1 here is this one. 1, 4, 27, 16, question mark, 36, 343. So your options are A 625, B 125, C 225, D 196. What is that?
125.
Okay, that's very good. So the answer is 125. And how you have done that is, let us see that. 1, 4, 27, 16, dash 36, 343. See, we have right now seen some of the basics right now, and we have checked the squares and cubes of certain numbers. Am I right? Yes. So now if you see these numbers carefully, they resemble or they show that they are squares or cubes of certain numbers. How? Let us see this. 2 square. This is 3 cube. See, numbers speak. You need to understand the language, what they are saying. So here what numbers are speaking is, I am square, I am cube. Again, 4 square, 6 square, 7 cube. So square, cube, square, again it would be cube. But which cube? 2 square, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 5 cube. Then 6 square, then 7 cube. So here it would be 1 cube. So cube square, cube square, cube square, cube. This is the combination. This is a series going on. Okay. So this is a series going on from the starting till the end. So what I did is I wrote these numbers. I saw this 4 happens to be 2 square. 27 happens to be 3 cube. 16 happens to be 4 square. So I got an idea. These are going in such a way. Square, cube, square. So next one can be a cube. Why? Because here also we are seeing the same kind of combination. 36 is 6 square, 343 is 7 cube. So it is also a square and a cube. So square, cube, square, cube, square, cube. It is matching. Again, it would be square or cube. I need to decide. If I put it as a 1 square, it's not going to match the combination. 1 cube, yes, because 1 cube and 1 square both give the same answer. So 1 cube, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square, 5 cube, 6 square, 7 cube. So answer is 125. All of you finished? We'll go for the next question. Question number 2. Let me see now. How will you solve this? Come on, do it. Two. Yeah, what's the answer? You just type the message and tell me if you're not able to say. Any one of you got the answer? Any one of you got the answer?
240.
240. 240. Let's check this.
240, sir.
Yeah, let's check this. Let's check this. So 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210, question mark. Okay, okay, Chris, okay. So now what we shall do for such kind of questions, you see, any student who is doing the number series question should first start with differences. That means this is called the difference method. Okay, this is called the difference method. For any beginner, for anyone doing the number series problem for the first time, should start with difference method. Then I'll tell you the second method also, how you can get the answer. So I'll tell you two methods in this question. So if I want to go from 0 to 6, can I add 6? 0 plus 6 is 6. Can I add 6 here? Yes. I am seeing the differences. I already said you difference method. So if I want to go from 6 to 24, I can add 18. If I want to go from 24 to 60, I can add 36.
30. Difference 6, sir.
If I want to go from here to here, yes, I can add 60. If I want to go from here to here, can I add 90?
90.
But I'm not getting the answer because I don't know the next number, what to add to 210. So I'll try to find that number. So again, I'll see differences between them. How? 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 24, 60. So you will be asking a question, sir, till what time you will do? So you'll get the answer in the next step. 60 plus 30, 90. Now what shall I add to 90 to get the next number? I don't know. So I'll try to trace that number. Now 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Okay, it's like giving me a good news that the differences are same here. So I expect the next also to be plus 6. Yes, I got it. So next
Plus
number
6.
I can definitely
Plus 6.
with confidence say that it can be plus 6 because the differences are common here. I'm able to establish a pattern. I'm getting a pattern here. So if you get a pattern, that builds your confidence for the answer. So 30 plus 6, 36, 90 plus 36, 126, 210 plus 126, 336. You got the answer. So this is the method number 1. Now method number 2, after doing a lot of practice and doing a lot of sums, you will also able to do this problem in this method, okay, which is going to be a direct method. So let's see how. 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210 question mark. So how to do this? See, all these are very near to cubes. All these are very near to cubes. How? 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 8. 8
8.
minus 2? 6.
6.
What is 3 cube?
24.
27. Okay.
27 minus 3.
Yeah. 27 minus 3.
Minus 3. Okay.
This is very near to 4 cubes. See, I said all these numbers are very near to some cube numbers. So 6 is very near to 2 cube. 24 is very near to 3 cube. 64 is very near to 4 cube. So 4 cube minus 4. 64 minus 4. 5 cube minus 5. 125 minus 5. 6 cube minus 6. 216 minus 6. And here it is very near to 1 cube. Why? Because 1 cube is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here I got the answer. The next number would be 7 cube minus 7. So 343 minus 7 is 336. Note down this method. Method number 1, method number 2. Now you will ask me a question, sir, from where you got this method? How are you able to know that this is the answer going to be? See, after doing a lot of questions, some 30 or 40 questions, you will be also in the condition to do such kind of problems with direct application. Why? Because you will be able to get lot of ways to do a problem, and you will be exposed to a lot of questions whereby you will be applying your skills to solve the problems to get the answer for the problem. So you'll be trying different ways out. So in that way you develop your skills and you'll get the answers easily. So we shall go for the next question, and I'll ask you to do the next question and get the answer. Come on, do the next question. I'm giving the question to you. Just a minute.
మొన్న చెప్పింది
Next question. So take this question, next one. 1, 6, 15, question mark, 45, 66, 91. Come on, solve this. Solve this. Try. So now let's see this. How to do this problem? I already told you difference method is the best method. Okay. So 1 plus 5 is 6. If you want to go from 1 to 6, or if you want to reach from 1 to 6, what you can do? You can add 5 to 1 to get 6. Now 6 plus 9 is 15. Now you are stuck. What to add to 15 to get the next number? You don't know that. So what we'll do is, we'll try to see the difference between these two. That happens to be 4. So what we'll do is, you know, in maths and all, there's a lot of things we assume and do. So in this, we are going to take 4 as a common difference and check whether 4 is really going to be the common difference of the differences till the end. So now let's see. So I'm going to add 9 plus 4. So I'm going to get 13. So when I add 13 to 15, I'm getting 28, which happens to be one of the answers. But now, stop here. I'm not confirmed whether this is my answer. So I'll move forward and see whether this common difference of 4 is forming a pattern till the end or not and getting me the series. Now again, I'll go with plus 4. So 13 plus 4 is plus 17. 28 plus 17 is 45. Yes, I got the answer. Now plus 4, 17 plus 4 is 21. 45 plus 21 is 66. Again plus 4. 21 plus 4 is 25. 66 plus 25 is 91. So what problem we had here is, this difference, I already told you, whenever you if you are a beginner, you're going to do, or you're doing the number series problems for the first time, you should always go with difference method. So absolutely all the students would start with the difference method, but they would stuck here. Why? Because there is a missing number in between, not at the end. So if you have missing number in between, then you should take this you should take this difference of the differences as the base and move forward and match with the series, or see whether this is giving you a pattern or not. So this is the method number 1. See, method number 2 is very easy. It's very, very simple. You will be shocked whether we get answer in such ways or not. See, 1, 6, 15, question mark, 45, 66, 91. See, 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 5 is 15. So 1, 2, 3. Next one can be 4. It is general estimation, na? If it is 1, 2, 3, next one would be 4. 1, 3, 5, next one would be 7. Why? Because these are all odd numbers. So next I got 4, next one would be 5. I got 7, next one would be 9. Then I got 6, next one would, I got 5, next one would be 6. I got 9, next one would be 11. I got 6. Okay, so next one would be 7, and I got 11, next one would be 13. So this is what the series is. So I got the answer 28. Yes. Method number 2. Let's do the next question. Now I have hopes from you. You would do the next question for me. Next one. 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, question mark. 72, B 74, 76. Come on, do this. Even I'll give you one more question. Four, 80, 244. Question. Options A 278, B 428, C 628, D 728. Please go for this question.
Another అంతే ఇది నడుస్తుంది బోర్డు.
Okay, let's see these two problems. So let me take this 2, 5, 9, 19, 37 question mark. So many of you have gone with this. So sir, since sir has told us to go with difference method, we'll go with that. So I'm glad, not a problem. You'll have gone with this and you should go with this. 2 plus 3, 5. Are you not able to see the screen? Hello? Are you not able to see the... You are able to see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, Ritika?
We can see the
Yeah.
screen.
Okay. Maybe Shafka, your net is slow, maybe. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Till here it is okay. But 9 plus 10 is 19. So that is disturbing the pattern. Why? Because if it is 3, 4, then it would have been 5. It would have been gone. It would have been a proper series. But this is disturbing your pattern. So this is not working out for you. So now what to do? Try with some other method. So see and learn the method. 2, 5. In number series, there is no method which is static. You can try a problem in n number of ways, any number of ways. So there is no static method. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये fixed method है, इसी से करेंगे. No, there are many methods. So see how I am going to find the answer and I am applying something. See, this 5 happens to be near to multiple of 2. It is between 4 and 6. 9 happens to be in between the multiple of 9 happens to be very near to multiples of 8. It is between 8 multiples of 2. It is between 8 and 10. 19 happens to be very near to multiples of 2. It is between 18 and 20. So I said you always, I say you, numbers speak and you should understand the language of the numbers. So what I'm seeing with this series is these all numbers are very near to multiples of 2. 37 is very near to multiple of 2, that is 36 and 38. Now you'll ask a question, why is sir finding out all these things? Why he's seeing that these are near to multiples of 2? Now see how we'll go. So since this is near to multiple of 2, there are two ways I can go from 2 to 5. Either I can add 3 to 2 to get 5, but this I already worked out. It is not getting me the answer. So another way is 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. I got the answer? Yes. And what made me to do this into 2? Because I know these are very near to multiples of 2. So every number, if I multiply with 2, I would definitely reach very near to the next number. Either I would not exactly reach, but I may have a difference, or I may reach, I may have a bigger number. Okay. So here, like 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. So I added 1 to reach to 5. Okay. But in the next case, see, next case, when I multiply 2 with 5, I get 10, which is a bigger number than 9. So I have to subtract 1. When there is a smaller number, we need to add. What I mean with smaller number, when I multiply 2 with this 2, I got a number which is 4. Okay. But which is smaller than 5, but very near to 5. So what I need to do to get 5? I need to add 1 to 4 to get 5. And 4 I got by multiplying 2 with this. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 2s are 38. 38 minus 1, 37. 37 2s are 74. 74 plus 1, 75. So what is the logic here? Into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. Do this problem. I'm trying to expose you to as many models as I can. Okay. So I'm giving different models. So go for the next question now. Come and solve this. Okay, let's do this problem. There are two methods with which you can do this problem. Let me explain you that method. 4, 8, 28, 80, 244, question mark. Yeah, we'll see, we'll check. So now, again, I have already said for beginners, always try with the difference method. So 4 plus 4 happens to be 8, but 8 plus 20 is 28. It's not giving us an idea or a series kind of. If I see the difference between them, it has to be how much? 52. The difference are very high or it is varying high. So let's not go with this method. It will consume time even. Or sometimes it may not give us answer also because we are not getting set pattern or not confidently. For example, the difference here would be 16. It will be 32. Again, here the difference is way high. It's going to a very high extent. So this method is not going to work out. Okay. So now let's see what's going to work out. So what's going to work out here? If I want to go from 4 to 8, what should I do? So I already said you, numbers speak and you should understand the language. Numbers speak and you should understand the language. Okay. So what is this? What are these numbers speaking here? These are very near to multiples of 3. These are very near to multiples of 3. How? 4 is very near to 3. 8 is very near to 9. 28 is very near to 27. 80 is very near to 81. 244 is very near to 243. So all these are near to multiples of 3 or not? Yes, these are all very near to multiples of 3. So now, what I mean to say here, you should always see what kind of numbers they are. Because I already said numbers speak. You should understand the language. Okay. So can I write this as 3 plus 1? Can I write this as 3 plus 1? Yes. I said you know, these are very near to multiples of 3. So here 3 plus 1 happens to be 4. And the power of 3 is what? 1. Now you'll ask me a question, why power? Because next number happens to be 8 and it is very near to 9. But 9 happens to be 3 square. So 3 square minus 1. This is 27 3 cube. So 3 cube plus 1. This is 80, which is very near to 81. That is 3 power 4 minus 1. Now you cannot ask me a question, sir, how you got these answers, because I am saying these are very near to multiples of 3. I already written that. These are very near to these numbers, which all are near to multiples, which are all multiples of 3, and these numbers are near to multiples of 3. So whenever you attempt a number series question, you should check whether the numbers are near to multiples of 2 or near to multiples of 3. Okay. So this is 3 power 5 plus 1. So next number definitely would be 3 power 6 minus 1. 3 power 6 is 729 minus 1 is 728. This is the answer. Now let's see the second method once you copy it down. So the method number 2 is, let me write it clearly. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Into 3 minus 4. Okay. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 threes are 28 threes are how much? 84. 84 minus 4, 80. 83s are 240. 240 plus 4, 244. 244 threes are 732. 732 minus 4, 728. So I already told you these are all near to multiples of 3. So when these are all near to multiples of 3, I can multiply a number with 3 and add and subtract 4 to them to get the answer. Okay. So what logic we have applied, I have already explained you here. You can go for this. Now we'll do the last question. Then you have to do the exercise. Okay, next question. Next question happens to be this. Now let's see how will you solve this. 10,000, 11,000, 9,900, 10,890, 9,801. Question mark. Options A, 10,241, B, 10,423, C, 10,781, D, 10,929. Come on, solve this. Yes, that's right. Okay, so like let us solve this question. 10,000, 11,000. Everyone is doing this. Are you trying this? Yes, Ritika, are you trying this?
Sir. Yes.
Okay,
Thank-
you got this. See, what's the answer you got?
I did not get the answer.
Okay, okay, okay. So you may be scared. अरे इतने बड़े numbers हैं. These are very big numbers. How to do this problem? It's pretty simple. See, we'll see the difference method, and you can see the numbers. Like once they are increasing, and the next time they are decreasing. Then they are increasing. Then they are decreasing. So the next one would be increasing. So I'll write some hints here. Here I would add, I would subtract, I would add, I would subtract, then I would add. Okay, so we got first hint. Now second, what to add, what to subtract, let's see. 10,000 plus 1,000 is 11,000. Very simple. And this 1,000 is 10% of 10,000. 1,000 happens to be 10% of 10,000. See, 10% is nothing but 1 0 gets deducted. What is the 10% of 10% of 100 rupees? 10 rupees. Okay, so in the same way, so I took 10% of a number which is nothing but 1,000. It is 10% of what? 10,000. So I took 10% of a number, 10% of 10,000, which is 1,000, and added this particular 10% of a number to itself and got the next number. So now I would do the same thing. I would subtract 10% of a number from itself to get the next number. Okay, so now again I would do the same thing. I would add 10% of a number which is 990 of 9900 to itself to get the next number. Same thing I would do. I would subtract 10% of a number from itself to get the next number. Okay, Shafi, I think you are having some Wi-Fi problems. Please fix it. I'll inform you when I start. Okay. WhatsApp पर. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, okay. So I'm adding I'm adding 10% of a number to itself to get the next number. I'm subtracting 10% of a number from itself to get the next number. I'm adding 10% of a number to itself to get the next number. I'm subtracting 10% of a number from itself to get the next number. So next I will add 10% of a number to itself to get the next number. Okay. So these are the problems. I'm sending you some questions. You need to solve them. 20 of them. Fast. We'll give you 20 minutes of time. Then we'll go for the odd man out questions. Okay. These are very simple questions. I'm purposefully giving you simple questions so that you can learn how to do them very comfortably, and then I would give you tough questions in the coming days. First, you should make yourself comfortable with the logics and the ways we have done the questions. Okay, all of you got the questions? Come on, try solving them. You got it, no? Yeah. Do 20, okay? रितिका मिल गया ना? रितिका आपको क्वेश्चंस मिल गए? Okay. Vignesh, are you online? Vignesh, are you online? क्रिश, ओके आई क्रिश मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे हेलो भेजो एक बार. व्हाट्सएप पे हेलो भेजो फास्ट. हाँ, ओके, आई एम सेंडिंग.